Clocked it back already?
Bro, you gotta put the clip in.
Oh, shit.
Alright, lane 12, I gotta charge you for that. Go ahead and pack your stuff, lane 12.
Don't point. There should be more in there. Uncock it. It's jammed. It's jammed. Uncock it.
Right there?
Yeah.
We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard, and I wonder where you are.
Shooting range.
We at the shooting range. Let's go. Let's go. My freaking heart is pumping out, bro, cause woo, we actually here. And then also we just saw a dope portrait of Kobe and Gigi. Bro, that shit really just touched me right now too. I swear I started crying. RP Kobe and Gigi, man, for real. And my boy Wayne said that I should have had my Kobe shirt. So let me put on my mask real quick. Damn. But what I was saying is I got some Kobe. I got 2 Kobe shirts. And I was trying to like sell them to some people, but well, I'm trying to sell them. But it's turning out that I'm not able to do that. But I'm finna get up in here though and see what's going on. Hold on. You see how that shit hit in the head? Yeah.
No, it's just because a lot of people.
With a bunch of kick, and I was trying to break my shoulder.
Okay. Now it's pretty simple with this one.
Got the strap and the ammo. We got the Glock 19. Hold on. Alright, bet. Nah, you go first, bro. I want to see how you do it.
Magazine release is going to be this button on the side. We're going to push this in. Magazine will pop out. We're going to take your round. Flat side of the round is going to meet the flat side of the magazine. This works on a spring platform. So you're going to take that round, push straight down on that platform, slide underneath the wheel on the side. You can fit up to 10 in here. You're going to take the magazine, insert from the bottom, straight back and let go of the slide, and now the gun's ready.
Okay.
When you run out of ammo in the gun, the slide is going to lock open like this, so you know it's empty, and then you just repeat those same steps again.
Gotcha.
We'll eject the magazine, slide it up again, insert the bottom, and now you can either pull straight back and let go like we did a second ago, or you can hit this light on the side, just sweep it down with the thumb, let it go forward, it's ready to go.
Oh, shit.
Now when you're shooting, you want a nice firm grip with your dominant hand. The trigger finger is going to stay off the trigger till you're ready to shoot.
Okay.
This gap in the side gets filled by the support hand.
Yeah.
Palm is going to go here. Wrap your fingers around the foot. Thumbs stay on top of each other. Don't cross your thumbs in the back.
Can I get some more?
Your thumb is back here since it's the skin. Nice firm grip. You're going to extend forward. And then just line up this dot in the front, in between the cutout and the back.
Nice.
Any questions?
Subscribe. Make sure y'all subscribe. The control. This is so fucking fun, man. I can smell that. This is crazy. I think I found my new hobby. I just found a new hobby, yo. Yeah. Damn. It's good. Wait. Before you do that, put it back. No, you. Move over there so I can. Tell me when. When? All right. Hold on. All right, you good. No aim, hold on. I don't think oh shit.
Shooters, inside shooting range closing very soon.
Yeah, that was actually funny shit. Hey.
Bro, he got no aim.
I don't have no aim whatsoever, bro. Oh shit. Wait, hold on. Yeah. Got one headshot. Body shot. Couple of friendly shots in the arm, you know what I'm saying? You know, something light. I missed, you know, because I just warned him, you know, I warned him. Yeah, man. 10 points, that's 30 points. 35. Hey, I kind of racked up, no lie. Alright, I ain't gonna cap. I ain't gonna hype my head up too much.
Hey, peep the drip though. Stop playing. Oh no, you don't got the. Oh, no. Never mind.
Up, but I still look drip though, a little bit.
Big drip. All right.
A little bit. But yeah, yo, this is so fun, y'all. This is so fun. My heart is really racing now. I'm having fun though.
Just a reminder, no weapons.
But we only got a little bit of time, so I gotta hurry up.
Yeah.
Jake, lane 15, please. Jake 15.
The gun is really jammed. The gun is really jammed now. What the heck? It's not letting me shoot that last bullet, man.
Oh, there's a bullet in the chamber.
Ooh. That scared the fuck out of me.
There's a bullet in the chamber.
Oh.
There's a bullet in the chamber. Damn.
It's a bullet in the chamber. That's kind of creepy. Put that away.
That's why they let you shoot that shit. I didn't let you shoot that shit.
Out the gun range. John was fun. We out this joint. Bro, that shit was funny as a bitch. Bro, I really just had so much freaking fun, bro. So much fun, bro. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. Bro. And I don't want nobody saying, like, nah, I ain't even gonna say nothing like that. Anyways, I had fun. I don't care. Well, honestly, y'all, I feel relieved too, low-key. Like, I feel relieved from a lot of, like, shit right now. And I feel like that's gonna be a new hobby for me. When I'm, like, free or whatever, I don't got nothing to do, I'm gonna come shoot a gun, you feel me? Like, man, for real, like, bro, for real, like, let out a lot of stuff, bro. And for real, that was crazy. That was really fun. When I say crazy, like, it was like fun, exhilarating, and I don't know, bro. I just that joy is fun, bro. Oh shit, bro. What the heck? He said stop. He said stop. That nigga said. Should it be dope if I could do like a cool little freaking montage like type? For real, bro. That's crazy. All right, y'all. So, we down here in downtown LA, near the Staples Center. Also, Tall Guy apartment. Shout out to Tall Guy, man. Hey, yo, imagine if, just imagine if Tall Guy sees this video. If anybody part of G Squad watches this video right now, tag Tall Guy. Don't even tag Tall Guy. Just put G Squad in the comments. But overall, today was honestly, it's one of the best days ever, to be honest. I really enjoyed myself. Everything went as planned. With my boy Wayne, out of all people, my guy Wayne, man. He honestly made the day great too. So shout out to Wayne. You already know, man, I always got to keep positive energy, positive people, positive vibes around me. That's what I'm about, positive person. And I'm here to dish out that energy to y'all. So just stay tuned and subscribe, because you already know the content will keep coming. It's going to get better. And I'm going to keep sending that positivity and all that good stuff to y'all. So smile, man. Like I told y'all, smile, because that always brings out a lot too. So always smile. You know, get you something that's going to keep your energy right. You see, I'm going to just call it my positive peace charm chain. And then I got the tiger bracelet. But this is what I'm going to call this, my positive peace charm chain. So something I'm living by, man. I'm building my positivity and my growth. So that's what I'm on. That's what I want y'all to do. But I'm going to get up out of here. Just make sure you, please, hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button, too. Because I know this was, honestly, I feel like this is going to be one of my dopest videos on my channel right now. It's going to get some views. It might not get the views I'm expecting, but who knows? But that time going to come. But make sure you subscribe so you won't miss out on nothing like this. Because more stuff like this will come. So y'all just stay tuned, man, for real. I appreciate everybody that really do watch my videos. Y'all comment. I appreciate everybody that does that. It means a lot in here and in here, for real. So I'm gonna catch y'all back in the next video. Subscribe. Your boy LaDarren out. My boy Wayne.
It's your boy.
It's your boy. LaDarren, man, I'm out.